Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. So life has gotten real crazy real quick. So I wanted to help you, and so we're gonna actually be doing a meditation today for anxiety, because with all of the coronavirus and self-quarantine and all of the changes that have happened so quickly, there definitely is a lot of anxiety in the air, and I know I personally also am feeling some of that as well. So more on that in a second. If you're new here, hello, I'm Tracy. I put up brand new fitness, wellness, and lifestyle videos every single week. If you haven't already, please do subscribe to my channel and do click on the bell icon so you always know whenever I have a brand new helpful video that goes live for you. So yeah, things are kind of crazy right now, but here's the thing that I want you to remember. You know, when we start getting really anxious and panicky, it's like because we're worrying about what could possibly happen. We take ourselves out of the present moment. Like in the present moment, I am sitting in my bedroom. I'm wearing this, colored dress. I have my legs folded. I'm talking to you. Like that is my present moment right now. I could go into all of the oh my God, what if this happens? How long is this gonna go on? What if, we never get toilet paper again? Like all of the things, right, that are really happening in the world right now. And I'm not making light of the situation either. I wanna make it really clear, this is happening. It is a pandemic, and I'm certainly not a doctor. And in this moment, I personally am well. If you're watching this right now, chances are that in the moment that you're in right now, you are well. And so that's really where the anxiety comes from, is we start future tripping or freaking ourselves out thinking about all of the what ifs. A saying that I always like to say, and I don't know who, I did not make this up, but it's worrying is like praying for something that you don't want. What we focus on grows. So if we're focusing on the fear and the anxiety and all the what ifs, we're gonna feel like crap all the time. But if we get ourselves grounded in the present moment and what is, you're gonna feel a lot better. So I actually used to struggle from anxiety a lot. There was even a period in my life where I was on medication for it. I'm not gonna make that call for you. You gotta do what's right for you. I no longer am on any medication for it. And I have many tools that I use that help me when I'm feeling anxious, getting outside in nature. I don't know if that's a possibility for you right now, depending on where you are, but walking daily really, really helps me. While I walk, I listen to a guided meditation. Sunshine really helps. Staying connected with people. So, if you are in a quarantine right now, we're all doing social distancing, calling your friends. Like a couple of my girlfriends did a virtual, cocktail hour the other day, which is great. So, those are some of the things that I do. But one right now, because I am, like many people, starting to feel a little bit of that, it's just a little bit more work to feel really calm and to feel good, is picking up my meditation practice now. So I keep it really simple, and that's what we're gonna do here. I'm gonna lead you through it. It's only gonna be 5 minutes. I'm gonna actually set a timer on my phone. I will leave a timestamp down below so when you watch this again, just to, pick up right for the meditation part. So all that to say, I think we should get started. So we're gonna do a 5-minute meditation together. It will be guided with me, and that's it. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so just take a nice full deep breath in through your nose and exhale. And again, a full deep breath in and exhale. And allow yourself to just get connected into the present moment. Feeling what you feel, the sensations in your body right now. The position that you're sitting in. The placement of your hands. Your posture. Just notice if you're having any tension or holding anything, and accepting it if you are. And if there's any tension that you're holding, any tight spots in your body, just invite them to let go. I want you to also hear what you hear. So I just heard a siren outside. hear what you're hearing in your room. I can hear my dryer running in the other room. Just connecting into the present moment. Now I want you to imagine that you are taking a beautiful walk. Maybe you're at the beach, maybe you're in the woods, wherever you feel really, really peaceful. And just allow yourself to just one foot in front of the other, walking through this path. And the temperature is perfect. And your body feels relaxed and easy. And in front of you, you see a door. And there's a sense of knowing of what this door is. There's not any fear. It's just like, wow, I'm here, I've arrived. So visualize what that door looks like for you. And then see your hand grabbing that door handle and just opening the door. And you have stepped into peace. A room that feels absolutely peaceful and calm. It just feels so good. And there is a knowing in this room. This is the place where you know all is well. All always is well. You are safe. You are healthy. You are happy. You are joyful. All is well. And you're just breathing that in more and more and more and more. And as you're breathing it in, you're feeling that awakening to it more and more. Your health, your vibrancy, your frequency, your vibration, it gets higher and higher and higher. Allow yourself to really breathe this in and just see what you see. What does this place and this, when you're at this high vibration, what does it look like? What color is it? What's in this room? Feel the sensations in your body. What does it feel like to be in this state of knowing that all is well and to be in perfect peace? What do you hear? Breathe that in right now, knowing all is well, all is well, all is well. Let it bathe over each and every cell of your body right now, knowing that it is the truth. And keeping your eyes closed, let yourself just get into your body right now. Taking a full deep breath in and just solidifying that all is well. I am safe. I am healthy. I am high vibe. I am a available to all good things. And so it is done, it is done, it is done. So whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes. So fun fact, as I was doing this, it was like having flashbacks of New York. I heard sirens twice. They're doing construction above me, and I could hear the dryer in the other room. And there is no need for you to be in a perfect place or a perfect, situation for you to meditate, for you to connect to your highest good. The alarm went off, which is perfect because that is actually what happens when I do this meditation. So I hope that this helped you to feel good, to turn up your vibration, to connect with your feelings of peace, of vibrancy. Because here's the thing, you can take these 5 minutes for yourself anytime during the day to connect to your highest good, to your highest power. And the more that you do that, the more that you can spread that love, the more that you're at a high frequency, a high vibration, you're going to affect other people in your life. And even if you can't leave your home and you're practicing social distancing, when you connect with people on social media, or if you're doing video conferencing, or you're calling a friend, or you're even texting with people, you're more in that state of love. And that's really, really important now more than ever. So I really hope this helps you. Please do leave a comment down below. This is a practice that I am currently practicing myself, and I hope that it helps you, to stay connected to what really matters the most right now. So I'm just sending you lots and lots of love. This too shall pass. We are all in it together, and really all is well. All right. I will see you next time. Bye.